Hi, everybody. This is your Nifty guy. I hope all of you are doing well. So today's video will be very, very important. So make sure you watch it till the end. Uh, so today what we'll discuss is who should not watch my videos. The number one set of people who should not watch my videos are here, who would be coming here to grab a strategy of how to trade Nifty and what is to be done tomorrow. What I do here is I uh, put down my analysis of Nifty and I put down probable trade setups, which are according to the setups that I use, right? So, I'll just give some examples to justify what I'm just saying, because I teach here how to read the price, which is basically known as tape reading in stock market terminology. So, yesterday, what we had discussed was we will short the market below this low with a pullback. Now, market opened with a gap up around 150 points. The pullback did come, but the low was never taken out. So that trade did not trigger. Now, what does that mean? Should we not trade at all in the market because longs were only above this particular high? Now, when I say that the short is below this particular low and the long is above this particular high, that also depends a lot upon the opening. Now, because the market opened with a gap down, uh, after this pullback, if the market would have continued its downward journey, we could have shorted the markets over here. But that clearly did not happen. So that does not mean that we'll clearly rule out any possibilities of long. Now, how do we improvise over here and how do we take those intraday trades? So what we can see here, if we jump to a smaller time frame, the market actually opened below the previous day low. Now, as we know, previous day low, previous day high, previous day closing are important price points. And activities around these price points should be monitored very, very closely. Prices opened below this particular previous day low, but did not cross it after the 5 minutes. And if you look at a very lower time frame on a 1 minute time frame, there were new sellers which were invited to sell below this particular low of yesterday. And their SLs got taken out over here. So my first trade was again on a 1 minute time frame. I do not suggest anybody to trade on a 1 minute time frame. So my first trade was somewhere around here. I held on to it because I was waiting for day low to close, day low to be taken out for me to take an SL. I did not get out in this red candle. And then I got out somewhere around here. Very, very minor profit. Now, as the market progressed, what I could see was that this particular trend line was being respected. Now, when I say that I trade breakouts and breakdowns only with a pullback, I waited for this candle. This candle here closed below this trend line. This was the pullback which retested the trend line. And as soon as this low was taken out, I entered the market. Again, got taken out in the very next candle. I got out cost to cost in this particular trade. Now, afterwards, as the market progressed, what I could see was that this low was tested multiple times. And I waited again for a shorting opportunity over here. The overall tone of the market is negative, and as I said, I would be preferring short trades more than long trades. But again, this is again reiterating my fact and my setup that why do I wait for pullbacks always? The market did give a closing below this particular line that we had drawn as support kind of a market was bouncing and again and again. And the pullback did come out, but the low was never taken out. So again, no short trades were planned over here. But what I did observe was this a lot of liquidity was grabbed out here, then again out here, and market was forming a W. Now I trade reversals only with a W pattern or a double bottom or a triple bottom, basically. I will not trade this first pullback. That I'll not go long over here. I'll wait for the market to give me another dip. And once this particular high is taken out, I created this long. I scalped and got out somewhere around this candle. So overall, I took 3 trades today. If I just take out a minor error, there were 4 trades, but again, 3 good trades. So yeah, the fact is that this emphasizes the importance of pullbacks when trading breakdowns or breakouts, and how do we improvise on our setup once we see that the market is not going as per our plan. So our initial plan was to short the market below this low with a pullback, but that did not happen. But that does not mean we'll skip this particular day and not trade at all. if we find good setups, like I said a couple of things, this is about tape reading about here, how the low was not taken out. So I could see some bullish signs over there, and that's why I took this for long trade. And I immediately changed my stance as soon as this trend line was broken down, and with the pullback, I shorted it over here. Once again, I planned a short over here. That trade did not trigger. And then once I saw a double bottom formation over here, I took this particular trade. So this video, why did I say it's an important? Because you learn a lot of price reading techniques. How do I look at the price in the live markets? It is very, very easy to analyze the market once the markets are closed and the candles are not happening in real life. You can say you could have shorted here, you could have longed here, but because once this particular the price reading is not there on the screen, what is to be done? That is something that I will be teaching through this channel. So if you like my videos, please subscribe to the channel because I will keep on posting these videos on a daily basis so that you can improve your price reading skills and you can improve your trading. Apart from that, what we'll also do here is we'll put up a analysis about what can be done for tomorrow, which is the next day of trading. So we'll just remove the yesterday's drawings for our reference. I'll just keep my trend lines because I keep them on my chart for future backtesting of the charts that I do. For tomorrow again, see overall tone still remains negative. I'll remove this line as well. What we can see here is again trend line can be drawn. We can look at shorting the markets below this trend line with a pullback and a high and a long position can again be taken above this particular zone, above today's high. So today's high is here. We can take a long position above this particular high. We'll just also mark the high so that nobody gets confused. Yeah. So, yeah, that's it from your Nifty Guy for today. I'll see you guys again. Make sure to keep these points, and I'll in my videos as well, I'll keep on reiterating these points so that they stay with you. All right, so I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Hope you guys have a good trading day tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Cheers.